Homemade paneer is the softest paneer ever. You can make a curry or a dessert with it. Namaste everyone. I welcome you all to my kitchen to make fresh paneer today. I'm using Instapot to boil the milk today. It has a yogurt button. Press the button twice and it goes to boil. I have added an entire gallon of milk to the pot. It is going to take 45 minutes to boil the milk. I'm going to show you how to use the yogurt feature for boiling the milk. When you press the yogurt button, it shows you the time. Press it again and it shows boil. Now you can close the lid and let it do its own thing. Now we will have to wait for about 45 minutes. I'm going to do other work in the meantime. When milk is boiled, Instapot will beep and turn itself off. Believe me, it is not going to boil over. Now let's open the pot and stir the milk to make sure it is not sticking to the bottom. Also checking the temperature, it should be in 190 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, temperature is right. So time to add the vinegar. I have half a cup of vinegar here, which I am going to add it to the milk in batches while stirring the milk gently. Milk has started separating, but it's not there yet. We need little bit more vinegar. So after using the entire half cup of vinegar, milk has curdled well. You can see curds and whey separated. This is how it should be. The whey should look very pale green or yellowish. If the whey is milky, you need little bit more vinegar. It is time to strain it. I have a strainer in the sink and my trusty old cheesecloth spread over it. Let's pour the curdled milk. You can boil the milk in any other pot on the stove top in case you do not have Instapot. I use Instapot for convenience. Today I am draining it in the sink, but you can save the whey water for later use. It's highly nutritious. It can be used in many ways. Let me know if you want to know what to do with whey water. As most of the water is drained from paneer, we will have to wash it with cold water. We do not want any vinegar taste or smell in our cheese or paneer. And at the same time, it will cool down our paneer, so our paneer will be very soft. After washing it well, I'm going to bring the corners of cheesecloth together to make a bundle and then squeeze it gently. Then hang it for an hour to drain out most of the water. Let's check it after an hour. If you wish, you can drain out more water by putting some weight on top of the paneer bundle. I like my paneer very soft. So let's slice it. Check it out how soft this paneer is. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please write in the comment. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Stay connected for more simple recipes like this. I'll see you again next week.